What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built. So make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, we've been having that decent rollover in the market for the past week or so, haven't we? And you can see Polygon with Bitcoin obviously retesting those lows yesterday. We did see a lot of altcoins go a little bit lower than what we anticipated. We can see here, obviously, we came down to around that $2 level, which we thought was, a decent level where we were going to see a very decent bounce. Obviously, $2 being a psychological support and resistance in the past. You can see back here it was quite a strong resistance for a while. Flipped into this area into support now. Anywhere between that 0.78 Fibonacci extension at 195 and that $2 level, we would say we're a very strong level of support. But you can see here for Polygon, it is in danger of losing this potential uptrend that it has been in for a little while. I mean, you could argue that this potentially here could be the support and look at something like this, but obviously if we go much lower than this, we probably are going to be rolling over to our next level of support, which will be down here at that 180 level, which was that previous swing high here. You can see here we've been going up and to the right the entire time, really, haven't we? Polygon making higher highs and higher lows. We haven't yet come down and made a lower low, so we're still in a nice uptrend. Polygon's still looking good in our opinion. Really not that much to say over the past few days, apart from the fact that Bitcoin, it's desperately trying to drag the market to the downside, isn't it? And Bitcoin is looking like, crazy overextended to the downside right now. You can see obviously the bullish divergences here all over the shop. Even with this additional plunge to the downside here, you can see quite clearly, this massive bullish divergences on our histogram and our RSI, the momentum to the downside decreasing. We are expecting to get a very decent bounce pretty soon. And you can see it quite clearly here. We're just chopping it up in and around that $2 level right now. Just trying to consolidate, really, aren't we? Trying to get a little bit of, a little bit of stability, maybe another push to the upside back to that 222 level, form a bit of a range before, basically having a bit more of a reverse and a go at going to the upside. Because you can see, we're getting really overextended for a lot of cryptos to the downside. Loads of bullish divergences all over the place. You can see here for Polygon, it is just starting to have, it's having a little bit of a cooling off period after, you can continuously see that this uptrend is looking really good, isn't it? And you can see we've got this kind of cup formation coming down now, potentially forming that handle. Obviously, we do think if we hold this area at the 0.78 here, we could form a nice little handle here. And then obviously we'll get that blow off top, that $5 to $10 mark we have been looking for Polygon for basically the past year. So overall, as we said, not that much to say. We are just essentially, following Bitcoin right now. Still stuck under our EMAs. We do need to see Polygon come up here and get back above this 55 EMA at around $2.07 here. Come back above and retest it, and then at least come back up and retest this area around that 222 level. And we do think this is coming. Obviously we've been saying this for a few days now, but there's only so long that Bitcoin can stay underwater the way that it is, because to be honest, it's ridiculously overextended to the downside. And once there is, even a little bit of a push to the upside, we could see a massive cascading liquidation of shorts, in my opinion, because the shorts are just sky high right now. People are shorting the bottom, as they often do. And, we saw this when we were at 29k back in July, and obviously you could see the effects of it. In the space of a few days, we were back at 42k after a crazy amount of cascading liquidation. So right now we're just a beach ball underwater, and we are expecting that bounce pretty soon. So if we roll here, obviously we do have that the 0.78 at 195 as support. Also this swing low at 190 is support as well. And if we do roll further than that, that 180 level will be the next target. And then heading to the upside, we are targeting that 222 level. Obviously beyond that, as we said, $5 to $10 we do think very possible for Polygon. It's looking exceptionally good for that continuation, isn't it? Massive correction, uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. We've come back up to a new all-time high. Just retracing now for that final correction before that push, maybe up to the next, the 127 there at $4. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.